In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix dead slide in BO6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If dead slides have been happening to you over and over again, follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it resolved. So they can be quite annoying. However, by changing something in the control scheme or the control settings, you will be able to have them fixed. So go into the settings, access the movement category. So when you go over to controls, choose movement. And in here, you will have to change these settings related to sprinting assist and slide/dive behavior. So for sprint assist, make sure that you have tactical sprint assist. And if this option here, sprint assist delay, is set to 0, which usually is the default, you want to change it to something like 50. Of course, you can make the delay bigger according to your personal preference, but the important thing is that it should be bare minimum as 50. Change it from 0. Then you have some other options related to doing it sideways or backwards. Again, this is mostly down to personal preference. The important one is going to be the delay, so you don't accidentally start a dead slide. And by changing these and then slide/dive behavior to hybrid, you will be able to have it fixed. So these control settings should help you address any problems related to getting a ton of dead slides while sprinting. As soon as you introduce the delay, you will be able to minimize the amount of dead slides that happen, and you will be able to move with ease instead of getting dead slides by accident. So make sure that you change sprint assist and set up the delay to bare minimum 50. And after it is done, under movement behaviors, change the slide/dive behavior to hybrid. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix dead slide BO6. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.